I found it. I found the perfect Dreams Resort for families with little kids. As a travel expert and mom, I made it my mission to test all the family-friendly resorts in the Riviera Maya. Every stage of childhood has different needs, and let me tell you, choosing the right hotel can feel like a mission. Dreams Jade surprised me in the best possible way. In this video, I'm sharing our full experience, my honest mom tips, and everything you need to know about this resort if you are traveling with little ones. Starting with a resort overview. Dreams Jade is only about 30 minutes from Cancun Airport, so right off the bat, it's an easy choice for families who don't want a long drive. It's oceanfront, but what's to the most? How walkable, stroller-friendly, and wheelchair-accessible everything is. Ramps everywhere, smooth paths, no confusing layouts. When you have a baby in a stroller and a toddler running ahead, or if you are traveling with someone who uses a wheelchair, this matters so much. Even though it has 550 suites, the resort feels cozy and walkable. In just one afternoon, we figured out where everything was. Restaurants, pools, beach, lobby, spa, and even the adults-only section. It's all nearby. Talking about the suites, we stayed in a junior suite, and wow! Even the entry-level rooms here are spacious. In fact, Dreams Jade offers some of the largest suites in the entire Dreams Resort chain, and it makes a huge difference when you're traveling with kids and all the extra gear that comes with them. Each junior suite is approximately 700 square feet, and it includes everything you could need. Ours had 2 queen-size beds with ultra-comfortable mattresses. There was also a separate living room area with a sofa, a coffee table, great for lounging, playing, or feeding the kids. The bathroom setup was one of the best I have seen. A spacious whirlpool, a separate rain shower, double sink, and an ample counter space. It was both functional and luxurious. A separate reception nook at the room entrance. We used this space to store the stroller and the beach gear. The room also came with a daily restocked minibar, including water, sodas, and beers, which was super convenient. If you are traveling with infants or toddlers, you will be happy to know the resort can provide cribs upon request, and they also offer baby-friendly amenities. These small touches go a long way for us as moms. And you can choose between jungle view, pool view, or ocean view. Regardless of your choice, every room is bright, clean, thoughtful design, and incredibly comfortable. If you want a higher-end category, these rooms are super spacious, with a large fridge, a separate living area, bedroom, 2 bathrooms, a hot tub with a view, and a huge primary bathroom. And there is a fun fact. This exact room layout is one of the top choices for brides on their wedding day. It's spacious, luxurious, and perfect for getting ready in style. If you want more room details or help choosing the right suite for your family or special occasion, don't hesitate to reach out to us using the links below. Bonus for families. They offer accessible rooms and extra beds. Now, let's talk about the Preferred Club, which is a major upgrade I absolutely recommend, especially for families who want a bit more comfort and better views. And waking up to the sound of the waves and that ocean breeze every morning was magical. My daughter loved watching the sea from the balcony. It was a part of our daily routine. The Preferred Club comes with amazing benefits. Personalized check-in and check-out with concierge service. Access to the private Preferred Club lounge, which offers snacks, desserts, and premium drinks throughout the day. Upgraded bath amenities, bathrobes and sleepers, and a pillow menu. Daily a la carte breakfast at Mercure. A peaceful, quiet way to start your day. Private areas around the resort and access to the adults-only heated pool. Everything about the Preferred Club experience felt like next-level service and comfort. There are 9 dining options, including 6 a la carte restaurants, a buffet, a grill, and a cafe. Let me tell you, we were so impressed. This is the first time I visited a family-friendly resort where every single restaurant had consistently good food and service. I'm actually doing a separate video on all the restaurants because they were that good. But here's the teaser. The slow-cooked brisket tacos were the best I have had in any Dreams Resort. Every restaurant welcomed families with open arms. They had high chairs, kids menus, and even a kid-sized buffet corner so the little ones could pick their own breakfast. Total independence moment for my toddler. And a shout out to Coco Cafe. As a mom, coffee is my daily ritual. I got my specialty lattes, my husband got his espressos, my toddler had her milk, and the baby her bananas. We stopped by at least twice a day. My mom tip is that for breakfast or lunch, pick the outdoor spots with the ocean breeze. It calms the babies and sometimes even helps them take a nap. Room service here is 24/7 and truly amazing. While the girls napped, we had a peaceful meals with an ocean view. Here is another mom tip: order ahead. It takes about 40 minutes. Bring your baby monitor so you can relax on the balcony while they nap. Now, let's talk about the bars because Dreams Jade has great options for parents looking to unwind. When you arrive, you're greeted right away with a refreshing welcome drink. Then, there's the lobby bar, which is bright and stylish. And just outside the lobby, there is another bar with live music in the evenings. This turned into one of our favorite surprises. My baby became a fan of live music. She was so relaxed. She just sat back and soaked it in. We also loved the swing bar. Yes, swings at the bar. While we sipped our drinks, our toddler played on the swings and had a blast. It's the perfect balance of family fun and adult time. But one of the most impressive parts of the bar scene at Dreams Jade is the evening mixology experience. Starting every day at 5 p.m., a mixology sets up and offers a unique cocktail menu. We're talking about smoke effects, bold flavors, dramatic presentations, and truly creative combinations. It felt like a mini show and the drinks were a 10 out of 10. Whether you want something relaxing, fun, or just a quick cocktail between pool dips, there is a bar close by to fit the moment. Let's talk about the pools and the beach. Two places we spend a lot of time as a family. The pools at Dreams Jade are huge, plenty of space for everyone. But what really stood up for me was the temperature of the water. It was absolutely perfect. Cool and refreshing under the hot sun, but not cold at all, which is such a big deal when you're traveling with babies and toddlers. My youngest usually gets cold quickly in the pools, but this time she enjoyed every second. It made a big difference in how much fun we could have all together. As for the beach, it was beautiful, though we did visit during seaweed season. That said, the resort staff was out there every single day working hard to clean it up constantly, and I really appreciated that level of effort. Still, let's be honest, when you have little kids, the beach becomes more a scenic background. We spend more time by the pool and playing in the soft sand than actually swimming in the ocean. What I loved the most was that they had a completely shaded beach area with lounge chairs. This was such a thoughtful touch. It let the kids play in the sand without us worrying about the sunburns or the overheating. It was relaxing, safe, and fun for the whole family. Dreams Jade takes entertainment seriously. We saw wedding and corporate groups having an amazing time. The vibe was contagious and the energy from the entertainment staff made everything feel lively and exciting. They were always encouraging people to join in, whether it was poolside game, beach volleyball, or even dancing during the nightly shows. Let's talk about Explorers Club for Kids. It's a dream come true for parents. The club is fully supervised and offers daily themed activities, an outdoor playground area, a huge trampoline, arts and crafts, and games that kept the kids laughing and engaged. For older siblings, the Core Son Teens Club was another standout. It had a cool modern vibe with individual gaming capsules, a movie area, a selfie wall, ping pong and football tables, beanbag lounge area, mini turntables and DJ lessons, karaoke nights, dance floor with lights, scheduled tournaments, and interactive games. We were amazed by the variety of sports and activities available for both kids and adults. There is a dedicated sports area with everything you can imagine: tennis and pickleball courts, basketball and soccer courts, yoga and aqua aerobics, dance lessons, archery. There is truly something for every energy level. Now let me tell you about one of the most special parts of our trip, the Dreams Spa by Pebonia. This was actually my Mother's Day gift. Even though we didn't travel in the actual holiday, my husband surprised me with a 50-minute massage and a full hydrotherapy circuit. It was heaven. The spa spans about 4,800 square feet, and the moment you walk in, you feel a shift. Here is what you will find: 13 indoor treatment rooms, couples treatment rooms for romantic spa experiences, a full hydrotherapy circuit, including hot and cold plunge pools, sauna, steam room, pressure showers, a relaxation lounge to unwind before or after treatments. The hydrotherapy circuit alone left me feeling renewed and lighter, and my massage, just wow. I told my husband it needs to be my gift every year. To every mom watching this video, don't skip the spa. We carry a lot every day and we deserve a moment to recharge. And for those of you dreaming of a destination wedding, Dreams Jade is a top pick. We saw a wedding group during our stay and the vibe was so joyful, I almost wanted to crash it. At Getaway Travel, we specialize in destination weddings, so reach out to us if you are thinking about tying the knot here. I want to take a moment to give a very special thanks to the team at Dreams Jade. Their service was absolutely impeccable from the moment we arrived to the moment we left. There wasn't a single space, whether it was restaurants, the kids club, the pool area, or even the coffee shop, where we didn't feel welcomed, seen, and appreciated. The staff didn't just smile and wave. They anticipated our needs, offered genuine help, and made us feel like a family. My toddler was greeted with kindness everywhere we went, and the team went out of their way to accommodate us in every way possible. As a mom traveling without extra help, this meant the world to me. So, is Dream Jade good for families with little kids? Absolutely. It was comfortable, easy, delicious, relaxing, and fun. Everything we needed for our first vacation as a family of 4. And if you want help booking, let us at Getaway Travel handle it. We know what families need. We have been there, and we will help you choose the perfect room and the best value, and share all our mom-approved tips. You will find all our contact details in the description. See this next video about another one of our family adventures.